LinkedIn marketing success stories. DocuSign. DocuSign is an electronic signatures company that sells electronic agreement solutions on the cloud. Objective. The company's objective was to generate more top-of-the-funnel leads to add to the final sales pipeline. Strategy. DocuSign designed an in-mail campaign to target U.S.-based companies of medium size. Results? The company generated more than 350 registrants that were directed to the sales department. Eurex. Eurex is a leading derivatives exchange from Europe. Objective. Eurex wanted to broaden consideration about their products in untapped markets across Europe and the U.S. Strategy. The company updated their LinkedIn page and launched ad campaigns to target decision-makers. Results? The company increased their number of page followers from 500 to 13,000 in less than 3 months. Postcard Mania. Postcard Mania is a postcard marketing company from Florida in the United States. Objective. The company needed to increase their return on investment and to generate more leads. Strategy. The company created a content strategy plan to help people learn more about the benefits of their products for clients in different industries. Results? The company generated over 600 leads in over a year, which made them an approximate $72,000 in business from LinkedIn alone. Schneider. Schneider is a multinational provider of truckload and logistical services. Objective. The company's objective was to boost authority and awareness of the brand as an industry leader. Strategy. The company updated the profile of their new business development director. There they included information about the topics that matter to their audiences and case studies of success. Results? This strategy helped the company increase connection conversions by 400% and unsolicited connection requests from industry decision-makers by 500%. Wild Apricot. Wild Apricot is a membership management and website development software company. Objective. The company wanted to raise brand awareness, to establish authority, and to drive word-of-mouth referrals. Strategy. The company created a company page on LinkedIn, asked its current customers to recommend their products on the platform, and highlighted those testimonials on their website. Results? By highlighting recommendations, the company was able to increase conversions on the homepage by 15% and improve the value of incremental marketing campaigns. Callaway Golf. Callaway Golf is a global sports company that manufactures and sells golf equipment. Objective. The company wanted to raise brand awareness among digitally connected professionals. Strategy. The company's marketing agency created an interactive app using the LinkedIn API that allowed LinkedIn users to create an ultimate foursome by picking peers from their networks. Results? This campaign generated over 1,500 new followers for the company page, as well as an 83% lift in positive sentiment towards the company across social networks. IBM. IBM is a pioneering American information technologies and services company. Objective. The company wanted to grow an engaged community of professionals on LinkedIn. Strategy. The company runs a continuous content marketing strategy to cover cutting-edge tech, such as artificial intelligence. It also shares curated content and guest articles. Results? IBM's company page grew from 1.2 million followers to 3.2 million followers in only a few years. UPS. UPS is a multinational package delivery and supply chain management company. Objective. The company's objective was to expand brand awareness in their niche. Strategy. The company creates and curates content that is centered on the services it offers, as well as moving testimonials. They focus on publishing highly visual content only. Results? This content strategy has helped the company increase share rates by 75% and to generate more than 800,000 followers. Vestas. Vestas is a Danish manufacturer and seller of wind turbine products and wind energy solutions. Objective. The company wanted to boost declining revenues, boost name recognition, and raise brand awareness. Strategy. The company launched a multifaceted LinkedIn advertising campaign that included in-mails targeted at key decision-makers and customized banner ads. Results? The ads alone generated over 10,000 visits to the company's website that averaged 7 minutes each. Metz Resume Consulting. Metz Resume Consulting is a professional resume writing service based in the United States. Objective: Mike Metz, the company's founder, wanted to reach a larger audience to grow his online business and make it a full-time job. Strategy: Mike used organic marketing strategies effectively, including joining and staying active in groups and updating his status several times a day. Results: Mike has generated over 75% of his clients on LinkedIn. He also reaches an audience so broad that he adds 50,000 to his network every 48 hours on average.